Getting product to the end of the line is harder than ever. Labor shortages, being safe, and maintaining efficiency are all challenges right now. Yet despite all this, the demand for throughput is relentless. At Weiler Abrasives, we believe that the most valuable cuts you can make don't happen on the shop floor. They happen when you cut through barriers keeping you from doing your best work and achieving your goals. Introducing Tiger 2.0, an evolution in abrasives. It was designed to be more than just a better product. It was created to help you do your best work. Cut through inefficiency, with industry-leading cut rates and longer wheel life that reduces downtime. Maximize productivity and sustainability with the innovative Optimum Use Line. Cut through safety issues with wheels that provide predictable, smooth cutting and grinding. Access safety information where and when you need it. Cut through labor shortages by making cutting and grinding easier on users. Reduce training time and rework with abrasives that produce consistent results. Schedule an on-site assessment today and cut through barriers with Tiger 2.0.